Basically today I'm going to show you the connector of the driver side rear door of Toyota Prius 2020 to 2016 model, 15 model maybe, yeah. So basically it's got a couple of so you're going to push on the top and bottom to release this. So it's a bit tricky. So it goes on the door like that. So as you can see, it needs to be pushed at the bottom as well as on the top. And also there's a connector here. So there's like a lock here. So locking mechanism on there. So you got to push it around there as well, and it's on the body. And at the same time, you're going to push it on the top and bottom. I'm not sure how we can do that, but I think when I tried to remove it last time, I just pushed it on this bit and then pulled it, and then somehow it came out. So I'm going to try on another car. Earlier on, I showed the other side of the connector. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the mating connector and the connections. So as you can see, there's a top, use a screwdriver. So this is where the top lock goes through here, and there's another one goes there at the bottom. And also you can see there's another locking mechanism here. So when you try to remove the connector, you're going to push this and then somehow pull the connector at the same time. You won't be able to push these two at the same time, but you could try. Alright, I'm going to show you how to remove the rear door of Toyota Prius. So to do that, you got to undo this this one first, because if you try to remove all the other two, you won't be able to get this one off when all the other ones are off. Also try and put the window down before you start removing that connector, because what happened was I removed it, I couldn't actually take the door off easily. Now because I got this one off, it'll be easier for me to hold on to this and take the door off. Also I removed this, not necessary, but I removed this skirt underneath, because when you try to remove this, if you're doing on your own, you may sometimes have to rest it on that bit, and then it will damage the skirt. So what I did, I removed it already, and I'm going to put a tire just underneath on the floor, so when I remove it, we can land on it. Ideally you want two people doing this, especially when you're ready to just take it off. You need two people. What I did, there are 2 screws on the top, 2 screws on the bottom, so I have taken one on each connector, so each hinge. So they're just on 2 screws at the moment.